Hey everyone, my name is Sophia. This is Gio.
This is Gio.
Hey everyone, so today we're going to be launching our Etsy shop. Yeah, we're launching an Etsy shop today. Tell them.
Yeah, it's gonna be resin. We're starting with keychains and coasters, and then we're gonna expand. So anything you want, we're gonna have.
Yeah, comment down below what kind of resin things that you've seen that you would be interested in, because we have a lot of ideas for designs and stuff that we can do on different things as well. So yeah, but right now we have coasters and keychains, which we'll show you later, talk about them all. And in literally 15 minutes, it's it's 12:14 or 12:15 almost. Hello? There we go. We're literally gonna launch our website. We have a Instagram and a TikTok that we've been posting a lot on. We'll probably post on Twitter periodically, just to talk about launches and things. So follow us on all these platforms at withlove.gs, and our Etsy is withlove.gs. So yeah, we're so excited. We love the name, we love our products. We are really into making all this content as well. Like all the TikToks and stuff have been really fun. And yeah, we're gonna vlog the day. Tonight we're gonna have a little celebratory dinner, which is gonna be fun.
Yes.
And yeah, we've looked like this for months. We put these masks on because of COVID, of course, but also the resin. So we've literally seen each other in this particular look
setup,
but across the table, like pouring.
Yeah.
So for a while now. So we're just here like
what are you doing?
Yeah, we wore matching sweatshirts or hoodies with butterflies. They have butterflies in the sleeve as well. And these are also from a small business that I'll link down below. And yeah. We're gonna go get ready. We're gonna put in stuff on our Etsy. We have listings up, but we have to do all the other logistical things. And then we'll vlog and yeah. Bye. We just put our Etsy shop up, and both people from our lives bought some stuff. Tell them who bought stuff for you.
My boyfriend.
Or from us. Yes.
He bought a coaster and a keychain.
And my sister so graciously also bought a coaster, but she bought a set of 2 of the really pretty blue ones, which we'll also show you. But now we have things to package, so we're gonna be like little businesswomen today, getting stuff done, but at night we're gonna go and and we actually have to make the keychain. We don't have it made, so that's exciting. But we're really happy. Look. Orders! Don't want to show anyone's information, but yay! Okay, we'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
Yes.
But we're like really happy.
Yeah, we know who it is, but we're still like...
No, I've literally seen so many Etsy videos where like they're like, today's launch day and here's my family, they bought this stuff. And they're just so excited.
Like,
because it's just like someone cares about buying
like a sale.
They easily could have just been like, hey, like, can I just have one for free? Like, whatever. Or like, hey, I'll just tell my friends. Which is still really nice. But yeah, and I know this is gonna be like doubled when we have like people that we don't know and like we see like where it's going and all that stuff. But maybe one of you guys. But yeah, we'll show you guys later, packaging everything and all that stuff. Love you. See you later. Hey guys, so I was just editing this video and I realized that we haven't talked about our products yet, and we don't in the whole video. So I wanted to show you guys everything right now, and also we'll be putting up the photos and the TikToks and things that we have of each product throughout these videos. But yeah, I want to talk to you guys about our products and just like their names and everything about them. So this is one of them. This is a coaster that actually has gotten the most sales out of the coasters that we have. So this is called Cinderella's Slipper. The names are in the description of the coaster, not really the title, on Etsy specifically, but on Instagram we refer to them as their names. This one has this really pretty iridescent shimmer and this beautiful light blue color with silver foil, which is literally so pretty. It like shines really nicely. This one is called Pretty in Pink. Also has that really beautiful reflective glitter on it, which is just stunning. And this one has rose gold foil and just like this really pretty hot pink color. So very, very nice. And they're both hexagons. Then this design comes in both a square or a hexagon, but the hexagon has a little bit less of gold leaf, like squares have more. So this is a square, Roses Are Red, that's what it's called. And it just has gold leaf and rose petals. And then this is a hexagon Roses Are Red, which just has the same design, a little bit less of the gold leaf. They're all pretty unique because they're not all like, gonna be the same. But yeah, this is probably one of my favorites just because I'm more of like a neutrals girl, so it doesn't have as much color. But if you're into color, we've got, you know, you covered with the other ones. And then this one is so, so pretty. It has 2 layers. The top layer is just clear and gold leaf and the bottom layer is purple. So when you lay it down on something, it just looks purple. But it's this really, really pretty purple color. And this one is called Royal Purple. So love this one, love all of them. And then we turned our Pretty in Pink and our Roses Are Red into keychains. So we have letter keychain, alphabet keychains that you can get your initial on or whoever's initial you want, whatever letter. And we have that. And they're so, 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 so cute. They're just, you know, your average letter keychain, but in the same design and color as this. This one's a little bit lighter. They're all pretty different, but they're also pretty much the same at the same time. But yeah, this one is a letter keychain in the Roses Are Red. Pretty design. It's so, so cute. And I'm such a huge fan of like all of these. My personal favorites are the Roses Are Red. The keychain especially is just so cute. I have one on my keys right now. And yeah, going to give you guys the chance to go now and check it out on the Etsy link, but also just keep watching to see everything else from launch day. All right, so we have everything laid out, ready to go. You want to take them through?
Yeah.
Really quickly.
So we have 2 kinds of mailers. These are for like the sets we're gonna do. These are just for keychains, little things. We have our business cards, tissue paper to wrap everything in. The cutest bubble wrap ever. It has hearts, some tape, some stickers, and some super cute thank you stickers.
And then our cards are like our thank you cards. So super cute with our little logo on them. We just packaged our first order.
First ever order.
Well, it wasn't the first thing that we got ordered, but we did have this one prepared, so we're so excited. There's such cute stuff in here. Not only our resin thing, but our cards and our stickers and everything, so definitely buy if you want this cute sticker. We have these cute ones. And we have so many other ones that we're gonna have for our orders, not just these butterflies. So we're currently on the stage of making more product of the things that we got ordered today, and we're gonna pour a few things for the coasters. We have 2 packaged things already, but we need to make a set. And yeah, so right now Gio's pouring the resin and the hardener into our little bottles so that we can pour them more easily into our molds. And yeah. Alright, so Gio is actually in a Zoom meeting right now, so it's just me. I poured these coasters and then we're just gonna kind of chill a little bit and have dinner at my house actually, because it's raining and it's just really dreary out, so we decided to bump the celebration thing to another weekend and kind of just have a chill night today so that we can go and do other stuff tomorrow. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. And that is it for today's first day of our Etsy shop, our launch day. I'm so excited for this new little adventure, business adventure that we're making, because we have gotten 10 sales today and it's only gonna go up from here. I know it. And I'm really hoping that you guys go and check out this shop because we really do love it so much and are so excited about it. And we have so many new things in the works and so many ideas and everything. So definitely let us know what you want, what you're purchasing, if you are purchasing something, if you've already done that, literally whatever. And go follow our Instagram withlove.gs, on TikTok as well, on Twitter, everything. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.